Hi, in this video I want to explain you how to install the pedals. In your pedal box you will find the left and right pedal and also like two washers you also have to install with the pedals. You can easily find out which one is the left pedal on the markings on the Axel. The right pedal is just like without the engravings. Before you insert the pedal axle, make sure to install the washer in the groove of the crank. Make sure that it's really flush, and then you just insert the pedal axle, turn it clockwise. Check if the washer is still flush. And then to have the most leverage, put the crank arm a little bit in the direction to the back. And really use the full leverage of the 6mm Allen key. You can also use a 15mm wrench. And make sure that it's really tight. Normally it should be like 35 Newton meters. And check after the first and second, third ride if it's still tight. Because otherwise, if not, the pedal while you're riding might be come loose, and the pedals just can fall off. Just check if they're still tight after the first, second and third ride. Same on the other side. Insert the washer, make sure it's flush. Take the pedal on this side counterclockwise. Again, crank arm more to the back of the bike. And then I'm using really the full leverage of the tool to properly tighten it. And that's it.